Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook chicken bitter gourd soup. So I have one whole bitter gourd, weighed about 500 grams, 250 grams of minced chicken. For this minced chicken, I mince it myself. I use chicken breast with the skin on for extra flavor. I have 100 grams of cut carrot, 2 tablespoons of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of sesame seed oil, half tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 cilantro roots, and 1 stalk of cilantro leaf. I chop it. So I like to start off with marinating the chicken. To marinate the chicken, I'm going to put the minced chicken in the mixing bowl. Put in all the light soy sauce, half of the pepper, and a little bit of chopped cilantro leaf. Just a little 1 drop of sesame seed oil. Give it a mix. Alright, chicken is ready marinate, and I'm going to put it aside. And for bitter gourd, cut it into half. And we're going to use the teaspoon to scoop off the seed. Just like it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the second one as well. Alright, after I remove the seed and I wash the bitter gourd, now we're going to cut it into half like this. Okay, and I'm going to cut it into like a square inch, like that. After we cut the bitter gourd, now we're going to wash it with salt. So I'm going to put it in the bowl, a larger bowl, and 2 tablespoons of salt. We're going to rub it with the bitter gourd, just like that. Wash bitter gourd with salt to reduce a bit of bitterness from the bitter gourd. And then we're going to rinse it with water. Rinse off the salt, or else the bitter gourd will be very salty. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse for another 4 to 5 times to make sure that we remove all the salt that got stuck onto the bitter gourd. So I'm putting in 800 ml of water. Switch on the heat and put in garlic and cilantro roots, sesame seed oil, pepper, carrot. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. Soup is now boiling. Put in the bitter gourd. Put in the sugar, oyster sauce, give it a mix. Cover the lid and continue to boil for another 10 minutes. So the bitter gourd have been boiling for about 10 minutes, and now we're going to put in the chicken. For the chicken, I'm going to use the teaspoon to make it into a bite size and drop it into the soup, like that. Alright, just give it a mix so that the chicken can cook evenly. After putting the chicken, I'm going to cover the lid and continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken is cooked. Then we are done. Alright, after 3 minutes, the chicken is already cooked. For the minced chicken ball, right, we don't want to cook it too long because it might be very tough. So just about 3 minutes should be okay in the hot boiling water. Now we are going to give it a taste. Wow, very tasty. The soup is very tasty with slightly bitter taste. Really delicious. Alright, at this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this soup, it's already delicious. So I'm going to switch off the heat. And now we're going to sprinkle the cilantro leaf. Give it a stir. This kind of soup, it will be really nice to drink when it's hot. It's really soothing to the throat. For those who love bitter gourd, will sure enjoy this kind of soup. So it's nice and hot now, so I'm going to dish out and serve. It looks so delicious. Let's try. I'm gonna take a bit of chicken, bit of bitter gourd, and some soup. A bit of chicken, a bit of bitter gourd, and a bit of soup. Wow, it's very tasty, very delicious. The chicken is very tasty and cooked just perfectly. The bitter gourd is slightly bitter and it's so soft like can melt in the mouth. And for the soup, it's so tasty and flavorful, very savory and slightly with the bitterness taste of the bitter gourd. It is so soothing to the throat. Really good, lovely, I like it. If you happen to try, do share the outcome with me down below this video. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye-bye.